Testing. 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 Okay. So I'm just testing out the live stream setup for my YouTube channel. Nothing really planned here. Mainly testing out some equipment I got and seeing if anybody comes in or not. It's really on the just an impulse. But while I'm here testing, I am going to be looking at Ravencoin. It is a project that I am very interested in and took part of early on when it first came out. I started mining it probably a little under a month after the blockchain was started, and it's one of those projects that it's one that I think I just have high expectations for, mainly because the way it started, it's not like an ICO. It's just had a fair launch. It's really a project that has, I guess, the closest to the same roots of Bitcoin in terms of, they just put it out there, people can join, no centralized company or organization to dictate the direction of the project, and anyone is free to contribute to it. So what's kind of interesting with Ravencoin is this week, I believe on the 30th or tomorrow or the 31st, the asset layer will be live. So they are saying to update your wallets, make sure your wallets are updated. But I just saw an image on the Discord of the new UI user interface, and there's on the Ravencoin Twitter, there's a short video of it being demoed, and it really looks nice. Let me see if I can pull that up. Here we go. So there's a little asset layer demo video, and let's see if see, there's let's make it, of course doesn't want to cooperate. Let's refresh. There we go. That looks pretty cool. It's nice, and it looks like its own. It doesn't look like like the Ravencoin wallet kind of looks like any other, like over here. Here's the wallet. It looks like any other Q2 wallet. This makes it at least stick out from the rest. Now this is the latest wallet, and I think they are going to be compiling the software, so it should be available soon. I'm actually hoping it's going to be available before the asset layer activation, which would be pretty cool. So yeah, pretty exciting stuff for Ravencoin. The price has come back up on Ravencoin. I'm pretty sure a lot of it has to do with anticipation of the asset layer, and what's going to be kind of interesting is to see, within the testnet, you kind of see a lot of folks creating a lot of assets, but then when it's going to cost real Ravencoin, I'm kind of curious to see if there's going to be a lot of people who are going to try to spam or I guess similar to those domain squatters who try to register domains of popular things or popular companies with the hopes of selling it out or later. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but it should be interesting. And let's see over here. Tron Black, his Medium site has a lot of good information about Raven, and if you're not familiar with it, and or the, let's see over here, issuance costs. I think there's a FAQ here. Here we go. So I think all of this is still the same, but it is dated August 10th. So I don't know. So it says it's going to cost 500 Raven to issue an asset, which is roughly at, I think if Raven is at a nickel right now, we're probably a little under a nickel. It's going to cost about $25. And it does have to be unique. It can't have any, I believe it can't have any dashes or anything. But you can make it as a domain name, which will be kind of interesting. I'm still debating what I do know I want to create an asset. I don't even know what use for. It's mainly just for fun to play around with. But still just trying to figure out what I want to do with it and what to call it. But anyway, the main point of this stream, though, like I said earlier, is really to test out a setup that I have. And I don't know. I might do more of it or less of it. I have no idea. It's really streaming live is really a different ball game, a different type of skill set. And to be honest, it might not be something I have or I'm capable of doing. But you know what? You never know until you try. Anyway, more on Ravencoin. I'm hoping the new wallets that were previewed here will be released soon, and as soon as they are, I will download it, probably do a tutorial video, create some assets, and play around with it. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.